Hi all, I'm Amy. I started making videos when I found out I had stage 4 breast cancer, but what I want to show you today is my grey hair before it falls out. This is what grey hair looks like. I'm 37, I'm going grey. And I actually don't dye it, so if anyone's curious, I'll put some pictures as well. I actually like it. It's a bit of a mixture. And full disclosure, I'm playing with filters right now that make my eyes look different. I just wanted to give you a look because I don't know how long this hair will last. But most of the greys are under here. And in there.